Good day, boys and girls. When I built this XS650, the chain guard that I had was off an earlier model, so the cutout is different for the rear shocks. It's at a different angle. The earlier models shocks come up a couple of inches back, and the SE models moved the pivot point a little bit forward, so the angle is slightly different, and because of that the shocks don't line up with the angle of the slot in the chain guard. And also on the earlier versions the cutout is slightly different for the wheel, because the earlier ones had an 18-inch wheel and the tyre was sitting in there a bit better really. So I'm going to take it off and show you the difference between the two chain guards and put the proper one back on, which I got off eBay and which I painted up the same as this one really. So let's take the back wheel off. Going to take the chain off just to make it easier, so I ain't got to ponce about with it so much. In there. There we go. Don't want to lose the bits. Setting your socket. Might be enough to get it out. Don't have to take all that off. Looks like I'm going to have to. started this now, you ain't believe the size of the fucking rain clouds that are coming over. Better do it quick. There's a 10mm nut inside there, we'll get two. Comes the fucking rain, doesn't it? Boxy fucking aircraft going over all the time. Keep forgetting about that on my videos. Right, where were we? Got the bike in, started pissing down the rain. So I need to get that nut in there out. I can see it now. I have to get around the other side. Yeah. Right. There we have it. There's the nut and the washer and a little collar. I think I might need the little collar. Put that out. Put that down there. And let me go and get the other one and I'll put the two together and you can have a look. 1 second. These are two different designs. As you see, the cutout is different. It's more of an angle than that one. That one over there. And also cut out for the tyre on the 16-inch wheel. It's different again with the 18-inch one. So that's like where the side of the tyre hits, which is about here on this one. So let's put the other one back in, but take these fucking stupid gloves off because I can't feel what I'm doing with them on. And it's pissing down the rain out there now. I had to push the bike in with a loose back wheel. Panicking. Ah, fuck it, it's a bit of water in it. Right, I can do over that. Keep the other one for a rainy day. Excuse the pun. Right. It's that one. Now try and feed that in. That one. Hold up there and put the other nut in. Find that. Where did I throw that? It's still out in the rain. There we go. So do I want to do this up here or do I want to put the wheel in first? I've done that all this up. There we go. Put it in there. Lines up lovely. Nice and tight. Now, aftermarket shops missed the chain guard, which is what I wanted. There's no little squeaks when I go up and down over bumps now. So that's good news. Right. I reckon that's alright really. I think the sprocket might catch it as I put the wheel in there though, so I'm going to have to slightly raise the bike a bit, I think. Find me a bit of wood. Around the other side. That might be right actually, like that. Go for that, I think. Right. Now the shit bit. I think that's about lined up almost. Basically, a bit of wood underneath, holding the back wheel up. And just adjust that until it's in the right place. Sorry about the noise of my tripod. Right, let's get it all back together. Right, put it in. Probably an easy way of doing this is take this off, but I can't be asked to take everything off. There we go. So you didn't want that to happen, eh? Because now it will make it difficult to put it all together. There we go. Lift it up a tad. Knock it in a bit. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Right, that's in that side. This one's still on. Gear of a adjuster. That's clever. Move that over a bit. Gear rubber mallet. Wash that through there. Lift the wheel up a little bit, and we're in. And why not going in? Nothing's stopping it. The lip on the spindle. There we go. Back's killing me now. No point in doing that up just yet. So that's the wheel in exactly the same position as it was originally. So now I'm probably going to have to loosen it all off because I won't be able to get the chain on with it being that tight. I wouldn't have thought. Be a fucking miracle if I could. So give it a go anyway. So I've got to try and put the fucking chain on without altering all the wheel adjusters. So, taking bets now. Who thinks I can get that chain on without adjusting the wheel adjusters fully in, or out I should say. Right, so we give it a go, shall we? You can do it. You can do it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no, it ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna fucking happen, is it? No. I'm gonna stop the fucking wheel going, man. Bits of bed. There we go. But them two fuckers ain't gonna be close enough to get that fucking pin in. Is it? See that bit of grease in there? In the hole. Come on. Oh no! Don't do that! I think I had this trouble before, and what I had to do is get me these night nose pliers in the other end. Show you. Luckily the pliers drawer is right behind me. And what we've done is we've done that. There's a new tip for you there, boys and girls. And then we can still use these pliers, now I've got them out, to put the clip back on. But what did I do with... oh, there it is. So you put that bit in. Come on, you can do it. And we have the clip facing forwards. I'm sure everybody knows that. Onto there like so. Hold it tightly with your hands because you don't want it fucking pinging off everywhere. And we're on. Ooh, look at that. That's a bit tight, isn't it? You know why that's tight? It's because this adjuster was probably on the other side. So I've got to undo them anyway. But I need to find a rag to wipe my hands because I don't want to wipe them down my jeans because I've got the wrong fucking pair of jeans on today. What did I do with that? Before I adjust me adjusters, let me just loosen them off a minute. Right, both sides. Let me loosen them off. Off we come. Give it a little turn out. This one as well. This one a bit of a turn out. Right. I want the chain to move about ½ inch or so. Like that, that's good. That's lovely. And what I do, I just had it a minute ago, this tool here, which is a bit finicky, sometimes works alright, sometimes don't. It's like a laser. It's like a laser tool that I use. And I put it onto a flat surface. And I can see where it's hitting on the chain, which you probably can't see that. But you can see it there. That. This is what I mean about finicky. This fucking switch on it. Right, it's hitting. It's just going across. It's the right height to go across the tops of the links. Right, so when I stick it down here and aim it down the chain. Move the wheel around so I can see where it's going. fucking on again, is it? Come on. Right, at the moment it's heading across that way, so we want to loosen the other side up a bit, really. Oh, fucking thing. Fucking annoying as arseholes. Stay on, you bitch. Right, where that is actually there, you probably can't see it. Let's try it up there. Probably can't see it. I can't get it in there out there because the chain guard's in the way. And the camera tripod ain't small enough, but take my word for it, that laser light, is shining just slightly off. Leave me fucking spanner on. Tighten up a tad. Right, that's exactly where I want it, that laser light, all the way down. Maybe not quite where I want it. So I'll do this one a little bit more. That's how it's got to go in. Up a tad. Right, it's exactly where I want it, all the way down the chain now. It's just hitting that left link all the way down there. So that's pretty damn aligned with the sprocket in front. Just nip that up. Check the chain. It's good enough for me. Do the other side up. Tighten that. Right. Yeah, that sounds alright. So we tighten it up now. Just moving on the other side. Check the tension again. I'd say you need a new chain on this. Oh, that's alright. Wheel is close, but it's missing the chain guard, so that's looking good. Yeah, that's that thing there. If you use it quite a lot, you see by the dirt on it. Danger. Octum. Yeah, spare batteries. Never had to change the battery since I've had it. I bought it in 2015. Right, that's that. And that's it. So there you have it. Fucking sun's out now, isn't it? Tighten up the bolt and put a split washer in that bolt there. Once I've done that, it's all good. I could even put a split washer in there. Not a split washer, a pin. That's what I mean. It's one of those pins. You know what I mean. And there you have it. Ready for the road again. Without no squeakies. Without no squeaky every time I go over a bump. So I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.